The overall look and eye appeal definitely sets this example apart from most others at this grade level. Even in gem grades, the luster is often a touch muted, and the surfaces are usually toned in a dullish gray, silver hue. This magnificent premium gem is the exact opposite of what you would normally see. Ultra satiny mint luster blooms across the smooth surfaces. The cleanliness of this coin is nearly unparalleled. Clearly, this wonderful coin sat in the original packaging, undisturbed for years, where it was able to acquire a layer of original rich, coppery orange patina that blends with violet, blue, and gold. Every detail is sharply impressed from a strong, forceful blow from the dies. The eye appeal is exceptional in every way and is one you won't forget. PCGS has graded 12 examples in Mint State 66 Plus, with only 5 finer. The last PCGS CAC Mint State 66 Plus to sell in auction realized $22,800 in January of 2019. Indeed, 3 Mint State 66 Plus PCGS with CAC coins have sold in auction dating back to 2013. Legend Rare Coin Auctions expect strong bidding on this exceptional piece. Be prepared, this coin is bound for an amazing typeset or complete, high-end, and high-grade set.